Your home is a wonderful place until a simple everyday task suddenly feels way more dramatic than it should. But don't worry, you're not here to struggle. You're here to see how smart gadgets can turn your home into pure comfort. Today, I'm showing you devices so clever and stylish that your house might finally feel like it has both taste and common sense. All links are in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe for more gadgets that blend elegance with practicality. This 3-tier organizer is the kind of upgrade you notice immediately because it takes that forgotten corner and turns it into actual storage. The mix of bamboo and metal gives it a clean, modern look, and each tier can be positioned in different ways, so you can shape it to fit your countertop instead of forcing it to fit. What I really appreciate is how adaptable it is. In the kitchen, it holds spices, mugs, utensils, even small plants. In a workspace, it elevates books, notebooks, and everyday essentials. And since it includes hooks, you gain vertical storage without adding clutter. It feels light, but the structure is solid enough to support what you place on it. Assembly is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. If you want a simple way to open up space without drilling or committing to big changes, this piece works in almost any room. You can get it for $27.99. This warming mat stands out because it brings your dishes to serving temperature fast. The graphene film delivers full surface heat in about 10 seconds, so everything warms evenly without hotspots. The silicone nanomaterial keeps it flexible, easy to roll, and simple to store. Yet it still works with glass, ceramic, stainless steel, plastic. Pretty much anything you place on it. You get 6 temperature levels and a built-in timer that keeps food warm for up to 6 hours, which is perfect for parties, buffets, or long family meals. Beyond that, it helps with dough fermentation, thawing, and keeping dishes at the right temperature during holidays or gatherings. You can pick it up for $74.99. This tall bookcase adds personality while giving you real storage in a compact footprint. Its tree-inspired layout breaks away from the typical vertical shelf, creating a display that looks artistic but still holds 30 to 50 paperbacks. The base cabinet gives you extra room for larger books or anything you want tucked away. A built-in adjustable light sets it apart. With 3 color temperatures, you can switch from a warm evening glow to a clearer reading light whenever you need it. It works well in living rooms, bedrooms, or a home office, especially if you want a tidy space where your current reads stay within reach. The structure is stable, supported by a geometric frame and an anti-tip kit, and assembly is straightforward thanks to clearly numbered parts. It is lightweight enough to move around, making it great for creating small reading corners or organizing children's books and toys. You can get it for $66.99. This cabinet is built to keep the entryway clean without taking over the room. It uses 2 flip drawers with adjustable compartments, so you can store everything from everyday sneakers to longer shoes. The bottom gap works for slippers or even a robotic vacuum, and the top shelf gives you a spot for keys, wallets, or decor. Side hooks add extra function without adding clutter. Its narrow profile blends well with modern spaces, giving you storage without blocking walkways. The MDF structure, metal legs, and anti-tip hardware keep it stable, and the layout stays easy to access even in tight hallways. Assembly is simple, and the brand offers replacement parts if anything arrives damaged. You can pick it up for $89.97. This rotating bookcase is a smart way to add storage in tight spaces. The 4 tiers spin smoothly, giving you full access to every side without moving the shelf itself. It fits easily into a corner and stays stable thanks to a reinforced base that prevents wobbling or tipping. Each tier is divided into 4 compartments, so you get 16 sections to organize books, toys, or decorative items. You can also reconfigure it into 3, 2, or even 1 tier if you need a different height. The smooth, rounded edges make it safe for kids' rooms, play areas, or classrooms, and the finish prevents splinters. Installation is quick because the panels come pre-drilled and the instructions are clear. Just a screwdriver and a few minutes. If you want a compact, easy-to-reach storage tower with full visibility, this one works well in any room. You can get it for $93.59. This sideboard combines storage, lighting, and device charging in one modern piece. The high-gloss finish gives it a clean look, and the built-in station lets you charge phones or tablets through wireless, USB, or Type-C ports at the same time. It is practical for a coffee setup, a dining room, or even a living room media area. The RGB lighting adds a nice touch. There are multiple color options, and the motion sensor can turn the lights on as you approach and off when you walk away. Inside, you get drawers, open shelves, and closed cabinets that keep everything organized. from coffee supplies to dinnerware or bottles. Assembly is straightforward with the included instructions. You can find it for $159.99. This piece works as a full mirror on the outside, but behind it hides a complete jewelry organizer. The rounded design creates a floating effect on the wall, giving it a clean, modern look while keeping everything discreetly stored. The wider surface makes it easier to see your full outfit without stepping back. Inside, the LED-lit mirror is a real advantage. The lighting is natural enough for makeup or quick touch-ups, and you do not need to keep opening and closing the door to check your look. The layout keeps earrings, rings, necklaces, bracelets, and small beauty tools separated and easy to access, so your routine stays organized. It mounts on the wall or over a door, and the lockable design adds a bit of security for your pieces. If you want something functional that also elevates the room, this cabinet does both. You can get it for $95.99. This bed frame brings together storage, lighting, and comfort in a clean, modern setup. The 4 oversized drawers glide smoothly and lock in place, giving you space for bedding, clothing, or anything you want out of sight. It is a practical way to keep the room uncluttered without needing extra furniture. The headboard blends function and style, a soft velvet cloud-stitch design with full back support, perfect for reading or watching shows. Built-in USB and Type-C ports keep devices charged, and the integrated LED system can shift colors, sync with music, or run on timers through the remote or app, making it easy to set the mood. A steel frame, solid wood slats, and quiet support legs give it stability and reduce noise, so the structure stays still through the night. Rounded edges add safety for families, and assembly is straightforward with no box spring needed. You can get it for $199.99. This air sofa bed is designed to work as both seating and a comfortable sleeping surface. The adjustable backrest makes it easy to switch from lounging to resting, and the flocked surface adapts to room temperature so it feels softer and more stable through the night. It inflates in about 3 minutes, giving you a full twin-size setup that can handle everyday use or outdoor conditions. Whether you need an extra spot for guests, a portable option for camping, or something lightweight for small spaces, it transitions quickly between roles. The included pump works with standard power outlets, and the structure supports up to 220 pounds. If anything arrives with issues, the brand's customer service is responsive and easy to reach. You can pick it up for $75.99. This floor stand gives you flexibility without needing to mount a TV on the wall. It supports screens from 27 to 65 inches and includes multiple height levels, plus a swivel range of -35 to +35 degrees, so you can adjust the viewing angle to any seating layout. The tempered glass base and steel pillar create a stable structure with a clean, modern look. It holds up to 77 pounds and fits well in corners, bedrooms, or small living rooms, where saving space matters. Cable clips run along the back to keep wires organized and out of sight. Assembly is straightforward because each part is numbered, and the hardware is included, about 15 minutes of setup. You can find it for $57.99. This table is designed to adapt to whatever your space needs. Folded, it works as a compact side table or small workstation. Half open, it becomes a writing desk. Fully extended, it turns into a dining table for up to 4 people. The drop-leaf panels lock securely, so the surface stays firm no matter the setup. 6 casters make it easy to move through the house, and 4 of them lock to keep the table steady once it is in place. Underneath, a 2-tier shelf gives you room for kitchen items, books, or daily essentials, helping cut down on clutter. The surface is durable, heat-resistant, and simple to clean. Assembly is straightforward with the included instructions, and customer support is available if you need it. You can get it for $80.00. This coffee table brings together a clean look and practical features. The lift-top design rises smoothly, giving you a comfortable workspace or a place to eat without leaning forward. It is stable while elevated and supports everyday use, whether you're working, studying, or enjoying a meal in the living room. Under the top, a wide, hidden compartment keeps books, remotes, snacks, and small items out of sight. The side shelves add extra space for things you reach for often, helping the room stay organized. The recessed grip protects your fingers, and the steel lifting mechanism operates quietly and feels solid. With angled legs and a sturdy frame, the table stays steady once assembled. The instructions are clear, and the process is straightforward with the included tools. You can pick it up for $69.99. This cart is a simple way to add mobile storage wherever you need it. The metal frame and mesh baskets make it sturdy enough for kitchen items, craft supplies, plants, toys, or bathroom essentials. Each of the 3 tiers offers plenty of room, and the open design keeps everything easy to see and reach. 4 casters let you move it around smoothly, and 2 of them lock to keep the cart in place once you have it positioned. Assembly takes only a few minutes and does not require tools, so it is ready to use right away. Whether it is for a nursery, an art corner, or everyday kitchen organization, it adapts quickly to different spaces. You can get it for $38.47. This vanity set brings together lighting, storage, and charging in one clean, modern layout. The built-in power strip includes 2 outlets and 2 USB ports, so you can plug in hair tools or charge devices without reaching for a wall socket. It keeps everything within arm's reach while you get ready. Storage is generous. 5 drawers, a hidden compartment behind the mirror, and a frosted glass cabinet that doubles as a nightstand thanks to its height. Makeup, jewelry, and skincare stay organized instead of scattered across the table. The white finish and gold handles give it a simple, stylish look that fits easily into most bedroom designs. The tabletop feels smooth and sturdy, and the cushioned stool matches the setup comfortably. Assembly is guided by labeled parts and step-by-step instructions, making the process straightforward. You can find it for $149.99. This 4-tier cabinet is built for tight spaces, giving you vertical storage without taking over the room. The adjustable shelves let you customize each compartment, and the adhesive doors close firmly to keep out water and dust, useful in bathrooms, balconies, or laundry areas. The ABS frame stays sturdy, supported by anti-tip hardware and secure fasteners that keep each level stable. Transparent doors make it easy to see what is stored inside, and the removable wheels let you move the cabinet wherever you need extra organization. You can get it for $89.99. This wall-mounted desk is built for small spaces but feels solid enough for everyday work. It folds up when you need a full workspace and drops down flat against the wall when you are done, leaving only the wood surface visible instead of bulky hardware. It works well in kitchens, offices, craft areas, or tight apartments where every inch matters. The brackets are made from high-strength steel, and the 1-inch tabletop resists scratches and wear. Installed correctly, it stays firm on both concrete walls and drywall, supporting up to 220 pounds, far more than most fold-down tables in this category. Its compact profile keeps the room open, while giving you a dependable work surface whenever you need it. You can get it for $75.89. This organizer makes smart use of the space above the toilet, giving you 7 tiers of open shelving plus a hook and a paper holder, without requiring any drilling. The solid wood shelves resist moisture and stay stable over time, while the metal frame supports up to 220 pounds for everyday use. Assembly is quick thanks to a snap-fit design with no tools required. Adjustable leveling feet and an anti-tip kit keep the structure steady, even on slightly uneven floors. It is a practical solution for bathrooms, powder rooms, or apartments where floor space is limited. Its mix of metal and rustic wood also works well in other rooms, whether you need storage for plants, laundry supplies, or dorm essentials. You can find it for $79.99. This recliner gives children their own comfortable spot to read, relax, or watch shows. The PU leather surface is soft, easy to wipe clean, and durable enough for daily use. A solid wood frame keeps the chair stable, supporting up to 120 pounds, and the anti-slip feet prevent shifting on hard floors. With a smooth pushback mechanism, the backrest reclines up to 130 degrees. As kids lean back, the footrest extends so they can stretch out comfortably. The built-in cup holders keep drinks within reach, and the side pockets hold books, snacks, or small toys. The high backrest, wide armrests, and thick padding create an ergonomic seat that helps reduce fatigue, making it a great lounge option for ages 3 and up. Its simple design fits well in bedrooms, playrooms, or the living room. You can get it for $125.99. This cover is built to protect 2 to 3 burner grills from the weather year-round. The high-density fabric has a fade-proof, UV-resistant coating that shields your grill from sun, rain, dirt, wind, and snow without tearing or cracking. Fully taped seams and a PVC layer keep water out, while double stitching reinforces the structure. A wide front vent improves airflow and reduces condensation under the cover, helping prevent rust. Adjustable side straps and 4 bottom buckles secure it tightly so it stays in place even on windy days. It fits grills up to 56 inches long, including most major brands. You can get it for $39.99. This 12-tier organizer offers enough capacity for an entire household, holding up to 96 pairs of shoes while keeping everything visible and easy to reach. Each cube supports up to 22 pounds and fits 4 pairs of adult footwear, from sneakers to heels. The waterproof panels stay durable over time, and the black and white pattern adds a clean, modern touch. Hooks on both sides expand the storage options for bags, accessories, or jackets. You can remove shelves to make room for boots or larger items, and the ventilated doors help prevent odors from building up. It works well in entryways, closets, garages, or dorms where vertical space matters. Assembly is fully modular with ABS connectors and detailed instructions, allowing you to build it in the configuration that suits your space. You can get it for $138.11.